Rice is an absolute staple on every dinner table. And what makes it more special is loads of vegetables and extravagant flavors. So today, I'm going to show you how to make Veg Pot Rice. Let's start with cooking the rice first. So I have a clay pot over here. Into this, I'm going to cook around 1 cup of soaked rice, and I've soaked it for around an hour. Into this, let's add 1.5 cup of water. Season it with little salt. Cover it. It'll take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook the rice. For the gravy ingredients, I've used shiitake mushrooms here. So I've soaked them in hot water for around 15 minutes to rehydrate them. And now let's get them out of the water. Lightly squeeze out the water and chop them up. Let's chop them up. I'm just going to get rid of the stem. So roughly chop them. Let's check on the rice. The rice is beautifully cooked, and now I'm going to get this off the flame. I'm not going to get rid of the water in which I've soaked the mushrooms. Let's strain it in a bowl to get rid of all the impurities. This stock is going to give a nice flavor to the gravy. Into this, I'm going to add all the other ingredients. 1 tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give all these ingredients a mix, and now onto the pan for stir frying. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add all the aromatics. I have 2 tablespoons of garlic, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of celery, finely chopped, and 3 to 4 red chillies, sliced. Cook this for a minute. And now let's add the vegetables to stir fry. Half a capsicum, chopped, 1 carrot, julienne, a few florets of broccoli, 8 to 10 mushrooms diced, and 4 to 5 leaves of bok choy that I've roughly chopped. Let's add in the shiitake mushrooms as well. Towards the end, let's add in some bean sprouts. And now goes in the sauce mix. If you're not using the mushroom stock, you can always use some vegetable stock, or else water is fine as well. And at the end, let's add some spring onions and leaves, and also season it with some salt. Give this a mix, and this gravy is ready. Let's pour this gravy over the rice. Quickly cover the pot, and now this goes back on the flame and let it cook for 2 more minutes. Basically, I want all the flavors to infuse into the rice. Also, what you can do is, if you don't want to cook it on the flame, you can put the pot in the oven for around 6 to 7 minutes. Do try this recipe at home, and I assure you, you will drown yourself in this pot full of rice and vegetables. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.